Boss brain, you smart. Where you We are worlds apart. When we strike intellectually stimulated conversations that borders on the nation building, because you and I can never be on the same pedestal. You and I, we can never be on the same pedestal. Moha, their concert in the Nama Medina.
We are saying you way one, but then cast a bunch of so would room a level, I may know what's the one to be a pet.
Nanka and Tokwana echoes between Captain Smart and Okatakyie Afrifa Mensa Bunsono. Nanka and Tokwana abrase, but there be Captain Debbie. On one head, I was also baby, 80 Captain Smart, I bet 2 beef in the munchine. Captain Smart, I bet 2 munchine, or we pay a beef no, echo the next level. I have been abroad media. Mess was any dim. Over like a video, no other room. I was subscribe button, the snap click notification for the latest updates. Now, but the wide in the mammy, I will comment section of Baswa. No, I should be one from any be ashen. Nanka beef for any say a lifetime beef, the beef between Captain Smart and Okatakyie Afrifa Mensa. I brought every for our Andrew TV. No, at that time, I said, now on person will Captain Papa. Nina cover by a John Kuma Ewu. John Kuma Ewu, yeah, and a Captain Smart every time the shows, and some day Oberhan and ever get cancer. Marcus here, Becky can be, as he said, John Kuma Kura Ewu, not Ojina Hop, Becky cancer. Marcus here, Emu, and every 5 ever turn on the shows. Oh, that's what they be. And someone brought Penny Captain Okatakyie Smart Ekan. No crack say a bit no credit na captain. No crack say a bit new. Says one kind of I captain ya. What I say? I captain ya. But captain I carry. A general me got 2 about 2024 election. Now ya got 2 about pa. Na Captain Okatakyie Smart. Any end is for abona top no me in Penyah. A year Okatakyie Afrifa Mensa. Coming to Fakai of Peace FM. Anna. For Adumochre of Metro TV. Some of whom and we gonna ask Omakoye MPP vibrant communicators. It's not Captain Smart. Any for Abonko Fuwe at home. You have to be 7th December, Adachi 8th December, Ebasi Mahama Arena. No. Exactly 11th December 2024, Anna Captain Smart, every time you show so. And then the Obe send a warning to Okatakyie Afrifa Mensa for Adumochre. Any comments if I can say Mahama dear, more me and son, oh, Bian Kamahama.
Kwame Sefakai. Who pa resign? Paul Adumochre. Who pa resign? Okatakyie Afrifa. Who pa resign? Mummy and Sad dear. Ah. Momu treno. Oh, you know better. Sha. Bahama ya dear and Yamunja may and Kayade. Because you saw nothing bad about Akufo-Addo Bawumia's government.
Fellow Ghanaians.
But me croc from Mahama, me bida, me but when your mamma can be. Ah, Mamun can be. And yes, I fell to me coaching for staff on Kojis County. More than anybody but Mahama. So I never want. And then my last drop of blood with the baby mochi. Mo bian can be. Sefa can me body. Kwame Sefa can Peace FM 104.3. Your friend is saying, Okatakyie Afrifa, Angel, 102.9.
No, that's what Angel will.
Oh, there, Mammy Cancer. Your friend say, Paul Adumochre, Metro TV. More, Mamun Kabi. Mamun try cry. My way, yeah, Abba. It is a fakai. Paul Adumochre. Okatakyie Afrifa. Mobian Kamahama Semu Krumha. And I said beef, no, sa beef, no, dear. You're the pork, befra. Sa beef, no, made the pork, befra.
Smart. He is unique. He is the.
Now, every mistake, I come home as someone. Now, no, from 8 1 only very careful. If you say MPP, Amemu, according to Captain Smart, and my bonnet, of course, no. Some government say, Oman can was him. A generous Mahama Mumu, Bonnie Bisia. They don't have the right to talk about Mahama. And watching them with a free for a crown were free and do TV any other. And somewhere in February, exactly 23rd February, and for the record, Afrifa hosted the first show on the YouTube channel for the record TV. Now, Obayano, and then the Obey address Captain Okatakyie Smart, Obey T. Nasemanu, defe. Obey address you, defe.
Boss brain, you smart. Where you
What to say?
Now, if you want to say, wɔkyea me wo ɛyɛ Kumasi Akwamu wofi ne yebusa akwadwo smart sɛ na Kumasi Akwamu ne kura wɔka wonim de ɛyɛ a friend Akwamu kwadwo smart mubusa no wonim de ɛyɛ friend Kumasi Akwamu wonim enso wɔn frifie hɔ me tuo yi Akufo ado abam na be MPP ni mapa na manfo no mo madwene no munya ha me na ɛsɛ mo bɔ maba so me obi a me MPP ni mapa demonstrations akasi e course Akufo ado abam nyina na meka ho bi ye ko election 2 months to election na me ne ma ban ko galamse ho enya me nam ko wuram kwadwo smart o akuku a ye ko baabi na me fa tuo me ko wuram e ko fa nkrofo baaye e me ka galamse nsem na me nya bibidi but me conscience me nton ya wo ye ne say wo na akoso a cement say Akufo ado mfa mesi cathedral na wo nya no korefo we are no kurafo a wona akoso asement so in any case kwa ukwadwo smart yes it me aiding and abetting of crime it's an Akufo do ayem bone dia wo ukwadwo smart aiding and abetting preparation of crime wo ka ho we are worlds apart when we strike intellectually stimulated conversations that borders on the nation building because you and I can never be on the same pedestal. You and I, we can never be on the same pedestal. Not to sound boastful. In every facet of our life, when it comes to economy, agri, wherever you find yourself, if you like, I'm throwing this challenge. Any day, anytime, just I'm throwing a challenge to you. Meet me anywhere you want. Take any topic of your choice, whether international relations. And I'm an expert in international relations, so I hope right there, flow with whether the area of agri, area of security, any other thing that you think that you have knowledge of, let's strike a conversation and see. If we are on the same pedestal, if you come anywhere close to me, you don't. Moha, there are concerts in the Nama Medina. What share radio ni TV? I say, oh, just smart. Nami we kurasi. Nami we dibomfa United Primary. If so to two more, the obobo ne kurasi ni ade kura ni account. Wo ba Kumasi nkwa wa mo we Capital Radio. Why Fox FM? Why Kesiwa Radio? We ya Kesiwa Kesiwa. It took mass one chini radio stations. Kwa be no di ochini. Into radio ni yemfi baby ko baby anka wo chinchini wo wa sana. Ye de wo bank na na pienti mo buado wa bank na. Ewi achiri kura timi de na pienti city bi so. Etwa bonu didi na twa na ba. Ono so na be fa wo free ye Kumasi no ba. Oba ye wa ya admefe ye rekoka Kumasi die no mo ayensia wo free admefe oba ye angel ba bia na ati ansa na meba ho oba ye no ye de no koka ho anso ansa na wo onua chi bi ni onua wa ye de eno kra ye de wo free so ba bia na ade ta wo ko se de wo ko diare ye hwan no wo smart TV bia wo ye na so disco light ni ade wo ye de no ka ho a enkono kadachie no wa fantini asabi mfantefo mo ye mo a na ye de ba yi me ye fantini na ye de ba the news Leo Mensa mia na mediana ntia bedu baby nam se de said na Kwame Nkrumah de Francis na wani ti wiase a enipa a wo de gozu brain yi ho anwan smart wedi gozu brain yedi na wa ye radio be enko koyo anya ma fene emfie mu odi ayo wa ye ni nyina na fa dia ba ne da bia na ye de katachi asi wona ye bom di ni asenia entro na otwa ye na mbabete wo to se John Kuma dia na wo kan eye tro no problem nyina ani ma wo busua ma ngasa o yare ma ngasa ye sei me se ntro de o twa kire manfo na ampa so de o de ye manfo na manfo no wadwene ni mu ha to mo timi hwe ehunu se wo twa tro kwadwo smart mi ba was maadwo a ebo ni tu o maadwo mi ni mpo ko anto second ade ba chi yase maadwo bia anko anto kwadwo smart mi boss ankyire brofo ye frame carbon monoxide ade ba chi yase nya carbon monoxide kwadwo smart ye ne waso ye nya no na de joma ama ba mo musa kwadwo smart wo de joma ama ne ba da bai de no ye o de ne ba no de bai mo fire what did your mama ne bad abe? Or the live in a buy. I didn't know you so na ja wa hwa na bibia no hold on to straw. wo free angel ya no ya de Kojo smart say wono na me pamu me free angel na mumu say Kojo smart say no no ya pamu ni free angel de
More fire.
si ya pamu wo de na me so ya pamu me na de ya nyintum say o resign ye de mo me de ya pamu me na wa wadwene ya adwuma ni ade ba
More fire.
God's brain is smart where you
What to say?
na fe wo ye no say wo ye wo chia me wo kumasi akwamu wo fi ne ye busa akwajo smart say na kumasi akwamu ne kura wo ka wonim de ye ye friend akwamu wo smart mu busa no wonim de ye friend kumasi akwamu wonim emso won frifio woni aye asafo hina ye tu no edi asante hina tu no ana aja kalabule fo mienu no ma ayi say ayi momone ko ayi awoda ayi de abankwa fie ana asafo hina no ede ayi ball wo ball se be ye na chi na chiame nso de etimi bo frifie bia bukata no a Kojo smart to wo mfiri asafo mumu sane say ye tu sa asafo hina no okoda be na Kojo atimi aye no so ye hina ukroma afa chiame pomada wodi hina no wai ade man na me ye hina wa akwamu ni court ase mumu sane apam na afiri wo ye fantini say de me so ja wo me ye fantini ye nyina
Fantiful.
Afe fantini de o de o se wo gura wo se mfiri asafo woni asafo hina etu no no afi Kojo smart say eni Okatakyie no kura no woni hina ba bia
More fire.
eti asante agonafo no de o magimi wo Kojo no afiri apam aba na ya bo chiame e was asafo ahimfie no a asafo hina etu no mo se Kojo smart aye no ho chiame bi okroma bi lebu a mo hu bi da woni hina ba bia Kojo smart ni hina ba bia waka dire no a ade ba no na me wo buo ma oni ade wo mo kofa wasem ba me nka bi ba bia about issues of morality na no yes wo ye say na mse da bia hu ye wo de ayidie kosi wo mo friends ayi Kojo Dixon na wo ka Kojo Dixon na Kojo wo ba ma asem a me no mie no ni obi a ya mso ba be ti se wu na ko gina wo ti mi twa trose ayi na me ma me hu enru 8
Obwa
wo Kojo bua eme wo pepa Kojo pe ya gina o me tuoi Akufo ado abam na be MPP ni mapa
no fire.
na manfo no mo adwene no munya ha me na ese mo bom abaso me
More fire.
obi a me MPP ni mapa demonstrations akasi e course Akufo ado abam nyina na meka ho bi
More fire.
na me lead chat
Orchestra.
demonstrations akasi nyina say yam pene ni ade afa ewie ya me ma be yam tamfo
No class.
say yes me pe manfo no asem akobi ye ko election 2 months to election na me ne ma ban ko galamsey ho eja me na ko nwuram Kojo smart o akukuku aye re ko ba bi me na me fa tuo me ko nwuram e ko fa nkrofo ba ye e me ye kan galamsey nsem na me nya bibini but me conscience me nton na Kojo smart wo ya tia yi ya wo ya ne say wo na akoso a cement say Akufo adom fa mesi cathedral na wo nya no korefo
More fire.
we are no kurafo a wo na akoso asem so in any case kwa Kojo smart yes it me aiding and abetting of crime
More fire.
it's an Akufo do aye bone dia wo Kojo smart aiding and abetting preparation of crime wo ka ho
More fire.
na Kojo smart so viewership enye obi a we viewership bia na kanya asese if say yati e kofi general yati yi na wo ya ni ade you were talking point any concert party baby a na adwene ho pa talking point wo man no enso na ni viewership nche concert party etu nya viewership ne bia nkyere say wo ye bibia ye intellectual when it comes to nation building Kojo when it comes to intellectual analysis of issues deep analytical reasoning on matters that borders on our nation and nowhere will you come close to me. I'm telling you, not to sound boastful, in all humility. And I'm going to sound this warning to you, Koyo. Onwards today, so I'll come and say, yes, I am no abekano, a deep. Yes, I may respond to you. Because I will not be paying 10,000 Ghana cedi every 3 months. Some of the copenim dear. Now we could just smart in my concert, my man responded to you. I won't do it. We are worlds apart. When we strike intellectually stimulated conversations that borders on the nation building, because you and I can never be on the same pedestal. You and I, we can never be on the same pedestal. Not to sound boastful. In every facet of our life, when it comes to economy, agri, wherever you find yourself, if you like, I'm throwing this challenge. Any day, anytime, because I'm throwing a challenge to you. Meet me anywhere you want. Take any topic of your choice, whether international relations. And I'm an expert in international relations, so I'll there. My flow with the whether the area of agri, area of security, any other thing that you think that you have knowledge of, let's strike a conversation and see if we are on the same pedestal. If you come anywhere close to me, you don't. Moha, there are concerts in the Nama Medina. You will never be you. Now, your mama will be at me can't just me and canasa. And you're not idea Kufado by you, Shariano Pevi, you never will trouble Kufado. Said you saw you and the side of your mama ever can answer. Be unsure your mama. You're sure and then Shruchina. The Beckanasempa. A free draw there combating pig. And never be a warrior moon who you can see and be your issue. Yakufa be a quine whopper by your west. May Akufa don't say who be the Bianwam social. If anybody has a record of me praising Akufado, bring it out. Akufado Koya Cathedral. Why 11 Namijina, Mene, Oliver Mo, near General drop that budget demonstration, men and them dear new. If you're waiting on Nagana for say, become make a Chiada. So music at the Chena. Major Musica, Medi Minister, Medi CEO, Marcelo Musica, I didn't know what time. No Kura Mumpetia, and no Corinthia. Now, could you smart way up, or Urisiano Apete, Urisiano Apete. Men are a band of Smin Camotro, me young Pipini, Mayan and Ne, Mayan and China, Mayan and Chinechi. Could you smart and Caswa young Pipini, Chroma, the Biara da, what is a American being was as you can. Could you do my doom from 6 years to 7 years? What is what I say, me Pipini? Men, I'm sure I can't happy for what shall I say can. The Shas may say the spirit of a year our forebears live in me. And one on also says, JJ ne Kufone, a Kwame Nkrumah. When I say you, that's in a confusion. If it's a Nipapia, what you are, what's a Nipa 2 more year, JJ Rollins, Kufo, and a Kwame Nkrumah. These are different personalities who do not even agree. Still, I am confused. No. You don't even understand what it means. Every day, ever since I started media, I aspire to grow. I tell you, if you know the kind of deep reasoning that I do every day, the self-introspection I do every day, wanting to chart a different path, you have no idea. And you think I mean, don't do these things. Don't do these things. Don't do these things. In any case, oh, share with my son, baby. Deck. All of a sudden, competition. We are not competing. We are two different brands. At some point, because people wanted to merge our brands. But when you and I came at Pies, when they saw that there is a clear difference between intellectually stimulated conversations being had by me and the concept. So, let me sleep, okay? And I wake up every day having self-introspection because I want to become a better version of myself. I'm in no competition with anyone. Far from baby. Come close. Other than that, stop this nonsense. I think I've had enough of the nonsense. Okay, Mamidina, I had so much respect for you. I'm not sure where that respect still stands. I have a lot to talk about in this world. What person may respond to you beyond ever since from a na. My cousin, yes. Ovi, I got me in Karu play between and Wusu. If you say that when you, of course, there is a saying that you only shout when you feel like your voice is not being heard. But so long as the people give you a hearing, why do you shout? Why do you still do drama? It's Gamueka won't start radio ni TV, because you wanted an audience. That is when you do drama. But when a plane gets to a certain point, it's so silly. And because you swap your brand, you're solid. Why must you come on air, be doing concert? Now the time will go, come was Okojare. Why no? And they will meet and shows you 2 hours not the preaching. na manfo no so ania na no John Kuma die na wakofa eye chance ya beso wode bom kwen irresponsible journalism which means I think for mo come here shoot you omo. Going to talk about your mama today. I'll talk about your mama tomorrow. And I'll talk about your mama the next year. Now go for the choir me by me party grandma vancha. It did your mama the year. The only crime I must my say go to about mama. Messi ba omi your mama ni nyina omu ni na duka daya. And she's meant to suba kodia. And make you me party dia. What's someone tiasi am ko shepo. Once someone saw you so near.
Say someone Afrifa kind no. Na aha Captain Kojo Smart. Na aha no. And from 23rd February no. Captain wa make clashés. Hey, no one for club with that captain. Who claim say Afrifa so ni we so kan Mahama asem a obey ne den den ono so better say Mahama asem obeka ne obeka ne china obeka na ahomache adesanyim ni obeka o ye den den o kan den afa ho captain anytime can no one for just o slow anase dey e man ansem mu Afrifa e be sa no ho na say Ghana ha ono no show any the most authoritative show bi aka bia ye John show bi aka bia e small boy e ma osa fire Captain Smart e go mu say captain e dem afunu we ko so nyina no o ntimi kan wasem Dr. Sanson need by captain one can be. What I said, Captain Smart one can be. Don't so let me buy captain went to fire. Emma just a name of Bonnie I coso under Mahama Amamuno. Captain Kojo Smart went to me and can be Emma Afrifa ever fire. Now that fireman no Anna Enra. Captain Smart ever turn the show so any honor over to him say Afrifa Mrent was 7 cabesma oil onya botre. Nearby Airwaves no so they are all no Captain Smart or no the control Airwaves. He is the king of all shows in Ghana here.
Okay, if we are saying we won't, but in case of so who drew me level? I may know what's the one me a pet.
Captain Smart.
Me, here's why get ready. Now. I am the king of morning shows.
He is smart. He is unique. He is the best. Captain Smart is the king. He is smart.
Morning show presenters say what Ghana hey now one hin enemy. Why every TV studio radio so be a collapse da? I am leaving. Because of me I may come back. It might be a year, 2 years, 1 month, or even tomorrow. Just that. Collapse here. Allow me, Mammy Memory. Mention I just want you saw me beche. Whoop, I wonder what through what past the said day. When I wait 10 grams to say the master won't to me. This is my time.
So many be ya.
When the woman would the at time I saw what him tracing. As a current now. And one can say to some morning show presenters, Okroma, Mema catch on your power. Mr. Chu, Moshe competition. Obi and some book Biama, Obi and for laptop, Obi and for iPad, Biama, Independence Square, microphone, so your board, Captain Smart. Yes, sir. As a Quatrasi presented this topic.
President, you obey
my introduction, my objectives.
President,
my mission. Now, I'm near her there. We don't know who the basic room, and that's when you will get to know that there are morning show presenters and drive time presenters.
President, you obey me to
Name once hour, yes, you. Mean the catch all. One name in Penna was Zuria FM. A man was only Captain Smart. Who are very What name in your pet? Who on can have a beer to see the so any radio station be so. You are not equal to me. Me, I'm telling you today, I'm the king of morning shows.
He is smart.
But I'm never
He is the best.
have a cacraddy FM who makes my party in the that's why I'm call. Or maybe I was a sister be so. I will nip me a numiasa and I a numbia. What did baby? I said so, Moody. It is a Captain Smart. Or your Captain Smarter. Then, yet the Mahama said, just not me quarter, be yesterday, yeah, quite be hobby among you. So, if you once have a done this is my time. My time in here. What's with him in Pro?
So when is someone as counter defense Captain Smart Abeka, oh to them say be maybe anye din edro bi anka dem afiri fa onyina nchen kra eba show dia ono ni show no Captain Smart show no onu amache no ene the most authoritative show e wo Ghana ha the river kan dem asa on copy be na kra kira je mame e wo comment section how you Penyah Media akra